Okay, we on the DOT zone semi.
On January 29th, 2021 in Georgia, Dominique Haynes in a silver Mazda ran a red light and fled police. The 20-mile pursuit reached speeds of 102 miles per hour, with Haynes swerving into oncoming traffic and nearly hitting road workers in a construction zone.
They're gonna hit somebody head on something. I'm trying to tell them again.
A pit manoeuvre spun the Mazda into two other stopped cars. Haynes and passenger Shayla Holmes were arrested unharmed. A large bag of marijuana was found inside the vehicle and turned over to Lovejoy police. Risked it all for a wild chase and ended up with drug charges on top. Brilliant move. On May 25, 2024, in Virginia Beach, 18-year-old Richard Silver was spotted riding recklessly on a motorcycle. When troopers tried to pull him over, Silver and his passenger took off at high speed, leading police on a multi-mile chase.
We are going through the intersection, straight through the intersection, exiting 264.
Good work. Where's the intersection, please?
25 right now. It is a North Carolina license plate. 2 as in number fast, common spelling. 4 is the number U as in uniform. 2 riders. We're continuing on Grayson Road. Current speed 65.
Grayson Road, speed 65.
We are right onto Bonnie.
Right on Bonnie.
Approaching South Witch Duck. Appears we're going to be making a right onto South Witch Duck.
Making right on South Witch Duck.
We are on Fur Avenue, making a right onto Southern Boulevard. This is a dead-end street, dead-end street.
Dead-end street on Southern.
The pursuit ended at a dead end on Southern Boulevard, where a felony stop brought Silver into custody. He was booked at Virginia Beach lockup and charged with fleeing police, among other offences. Reckless riding and running from the law? Silver's plans hit a dead end, literally.
Straight out! Straight out! Arms by your side! Sixty-six, 82 to 10. Roll over.
On Friday, November 8, 2024, in Little Rock, Arkansas, a Toyota Camry was clocked at 72 miles per hour in a 55 zone, in heavy rain. The driver briefly stopped, then bolted, hitting 125 miles per hour through city streets, running red lights and stop signs. The chaos ended when he crashed into a power pole, then slammed into two parked cars. Dominic Williams fled on foot, but was quickly caught by troopers. No injuries were reported. Speeding in a storm, crashing into everything, then running, only to end up in cuffs anyway. Not the brightest escape plan.
What else is that? What is?
What's that? We're outside. Can I take 40 hours in the car?
No.
Figure out.
I'll work that. Hang that back there. What time do you get it back? Yeah.
Well, if you want to go and get a 216 out there, check out the rest.
On the morning of February 15th, 2024, in Detroit, an off-duty police officer was shot at while driving his personal vehicle. He managed to note the suspect's license plate and alerted dispatch. Around 3:30 p.m., Michigan State troopers located the suspect's car.
Let's go. Stop out outside that. Trying to get me in. Southbound Greenfield, good road. C-65, trying to get lights.
What is it? Just put on his hood. Push around.
Going to right up here, John. Pure John. That's southbound Greenfield. Traffic light, 75 miles an hour.
After a brief pursuit, troopers executed a PIT maneuver, stopping the vehicle and arresting the suspect, who was found with the firearm used in the attack. Thought he could shoot and vanish? Not with MSP on the case. Game over.
I'm gonna kill you. Don't move. Keep your hands up. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. So bring other window. Let me see your hands. Keep your hands up. Keep your hands up. Driver window. Bring up driver window. Bring up driver window. Driver window. Driver window. I got it. Break it up. Now wait. Cover. Cover. You focus up, man.
I'm scared. I'm so busy.
He's coming out. All right. All right. More hands right here. Right in front of my car. Right in front of my car. Hands in front of my car. I need hands in front of my car. Come around front. Come around front. No, we're going to the front. In front of my car. I got right here. Get off the Here's cuffs. I got it. It's in the car. Secure. Just keep your hands on the desk. Don't move. Good. Good. Bring to me. Bring to me. Just watch your hands. Watch your hands. I got it. It's in the car. Secure. Just keep your hands on that dashboard. Don't move. Good. 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 All right. Bring it to me. Bring it to me. 1, 2, 3, 5.
On December 22, 2024, in Arkansas, a driver was spotted weaving and moving suspiciously slow on I-530. When troopers attempted a stop, he refused to yield, prompting a pursuit at speeds around 50 miles per hour. A point manoeuvre brought the chase to a swift end. The driver immediately tossed drugs from the car and claimed it was just weed, insisting, "I'm just scared, I wasn't running." Turns out he was already wearing an ankle monitor, a sign of prior legal trouble. Driving slow doesn't cancel out fleeing. Now he's got fresh charges and no excuses left.
Where you at? I'm down at propane.
Thank you. I'll be right back.
On Tuesday, November 5th, 2024, in Luxora, Arkansas, a Honda driver was clocked doing 70 miles per hour in a 55 zone. During the stop, he claimed he had no ID. Moments later, as the trooper ran his details, the driver suddenly sped off, trying to escape. The pursuit was short-lived. Trooper Henderson executed a precise TVI, sending the suspect's car off-road into a field. Edwin Vasquez was taken into custody without further issues. No licence? Bad enough. Fleeing the scene? That's how a simple ticket turns into a trip to jail.
Face down on the ground right now. Hands behind your back. Get up. Roll over on your back. All right. We're gonna lean. Get up real quick. 1, 2, 3. Why are you running? No. I said, give me a second. I'll be right back. Oh, hey, leave me right there. No. No, sir. That's over. Did you not hear my sirens and my blue lights on behind me? Yeah, you just did that. The answer's going to go any way I can. Yeah, I got different. I got that. You know,